Welcome to the channel. We'll see how the Nifty has performed today. So still the consolidation for Nifty continues even after Reliance and ICICI Bank has given a good result, as we already discussed about that. But whenever the results are positive, the corporate results are positive, the prices will go in opposite direction. So that is what happened today also. So index is showing 16k as a big mountain, but that is not a fact. Once if that 16k is broken out, then it is a dummy case. So it will be having no value at all. The 16k will have no value. So why it is so special is it is some kind of round figure. So whenever there is a round figure in stock market, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000, those kind of round figures will always have a struggle to hit, because somebody is operating the index also, so they show it as a big mountain, but that is not the case. If that 16k is broken out, then it is a useless figure. So that is what the stock market is all about. So today also one new resistance are formed at 15,893. so now this 15,893 will have to break up. So once if it breaks up and goes above that, then there is a possibility of 16k within next 1 or 2 days. So probably it might hit on the expiry day or on Friday, the 16k. That is what the operators are waiting for. And moreover, the bank index Nifty still needs to fill the gap. That is, so based on that, the index will fill the gap. If the bank index Nifty fills the gap on Thursday or by tomorrow, then 16k is also possible on the same day. So that is the scenario at this juncture. When the bank Nifty fills the gap at 35,675, the same day 16k will be hit in the Nifty index spot. So that is the scenario. Still the open interest for the July month is lies at 16,000, 15,800, 900, and put option 15,700 followed by 15,500. So still it's a range bound for the Nifty between 15,600 to 16,000. So it has broken and shown a 22 points breakup on last week, that is 15,578. So there are possibilities of Nifty breaking down again, but this will happen only after breaking above 16,000. So 16,200 or 300 may be the case either this month or by July or by August 10th or 15th, and after that again it may come down. So as for now, all the results are corporate results are declaring their results very positively, but the prices will always go in opposite direction. So IndusInd Bank has shown Yes Bank has shown a very good profit today, but apart from that, the bank index Nifty is still in a consolidation mode. That is also not moving up, because the huge open interest is on the buying side, not on the selling side. So that is why it is not, the index is not going up, even in spite of Dow Jones is making higher and higher every day. This is not happening. So our market is based on Hang Seng market. So Hang Seng market is continuously falling due to some news from the country or from based on the China. So China is in a critical position now due to floods and rain, heavy rain. So that's why the stocks are falling. So the Hang Seng is also based on China. So our country is based on Hang Seng. So whichever the direction Hang Seng takes, you can see always 80% of the time it follows Hang Seng market. So that's why it is not moving up at all. It is ready to move up when the Hang Seng market moves 1 or 2% any day. So on that day our market will also move up. So that is the case. Okay, now so one more day of consolidation. We'll see tomorrow whether tomorrow it can hit 16k. So one thing is sure, by Thursday or on Friday the Nifty will hit 16,000 and Bank Nifty will hit 36,000. So that is the sure point at this stage. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel and thanks for watching now. Thank you.